Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel NFTs Experts. I hope you all are doing well. It is my humble request to my new incoming friend to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so the new incoming video don't miss videos. As you know, I always bring such wonderful project from which you can earn a lot of profit from home very easily. So today's project name is wheatlandai.com. The link of this website will be given in my video description box. So first of all, I will tell you how you can register an account in this website. So two type of procedure here is given: email registration and phone registration method. For the email registration method, you have to put your email id, then you have to set a login password, then you have to confirm this login password that you have set, then you have to set a security password which will be needed for the transaction and the withdrawal, then you have to confirm this security password that you have enter and click on the register. Now your account will be registered in this website. For the phone registration, first of all select your country code. After selecting your country code, put your phone number and click on the register. Now your account will be registered. You can select the language your own option. Different types of language option here is given. I have selected English as my preferred language here, and you can also contact them on their online customer service. They will be available 24/7 for helping you out. So viewers, I already have an account, so I will go into the login, for which I am using the email login option, for which I have to put my email on which I have registered an account and then the password that I have set in the registration procedure, and click on the login now, and my account will be logged in this website. And here you can see my account is going to log in, and I have successfully logged in an account. The latest announcement here is given: the most popular trending content platform in 2020 with Land AI content official website. Here is given: minimum deposit required is 10 USD, minimum withdrawal is 3 USD, minimum 1 USD for the withdrawal, quantitative reset time, and they contain the different types of their VIP levels. For each level, amount of investment here is different, and the daily income is also different. For the VIP 2, VIP 3, and you can see there 12 types of VIP level here is given, for which deposition is different, and you can get 3 levels of commission at 11 2%, and the 1% of the commission rebate will be given to you when you invite your friend at the level 1, level 2, and level 3. And you will get a different types of register and receive, and when you register and receive 180 USDT, and team reward commission is 14%, and you will get different types of options like the recharge, withdrawal, help option here is given. In the help, you will get the company profile. In the company profile, you will get all the type of company profile. Quantity trading, where Witland Quantity Trading Limited was established in 2021 and is headquartered in London, UK. It is currently a professional company in Europe with super technical strength and team integration, and you can check all the information here is saved in the company profile. The reason why you receive and with land money making function, their advantage, company legal documentation will be given to you. Team option here is given: you can check your all the type of team details will be given to you. You can also download their app for the Android download, and the iOS download here is given. You can download for the both version and start making money in their app. In the activity details, you will get your all the type of activity, will show your agent corporations, will give you all the type of their investment details and the earning commission details. You can invite your friends by clicking on the invite friends option, and you can recharge this website account by just clicking recharge TRC 20 TRX BP US 10 BNB here is given. And for the TRC 20, you have to copy this recharge address, or you can scan this QR code. After that, you have to go back to the wallet which are using in your mobile. Click on the USDT, click on the receive option, click on the send option by clicking on the USDT, click on the send option, bind the address, then put the amount for the transaction, confirm the transaction procedure, and after confirming the transaction procedure, you have to go back to the website account. After going back to the website account, click on the recharge complete, and your account will be recharged in this website, and you can unlock any of their level. The BPS USDT is there, the Ethereum USDT percentage is 0.2627, and quantitative trading here is given: efficient and stable transaction. You can invite your friends for earning your income. They are dealing in Binance, OKCUB, and Coinbase. Their real time here is showing for the percentages. And their cumulative safe operation is for the 1019 days. Their cumulative here is showing this website is tested internally for a year. AI quantity income exceed expectations. The system is safe and stable and fully meets the commercial application standard. And in the quantify, you will get your all the type of your quantify details will be given to you in the quantify details. B option, invite friend option here is given. For quantify, I am going to refresh this page for quantification, getting the quantification in this website here, and here you can see I have refreshed this page and I will go into the quantify detail. Current level is MVP1. Quantifiable is for the 60 days, countdown days is a 60 days, trial fees, profit as a 2 days earning, total revenue will show here, and you can start quantification. Quantification reset time is for the 24-hour transaction record here is given, and for you can see you can unlock, click on the unlock, confirm the transaction of 15 USD, and you can unlock any of their level, and you can see all the type of their detail here is given up to the MB12. Their core corporation financial institution are Binance, Kraken, Bybit, Bitnex, Coinbase, Kukan, Bitstamp, Gateway, OKS, and Bitget are their safe operations for the days. And you can click on the start quantification, and here you can see quantification is started here, and after that you will get your earned commission in this website after completing the transaction. And for quantification is for the one time a day, and here you can see quantification is generated, and my total revenue is 1.5 USD, 2 days earning is 1.5 USD. In the investment, you can also invest your money in the smart investment, and for which you will get different types of daily rate percentages, and your investment record will show here. Invite friend option here is given. You can copy this invitation code, invitation link, or share this QR code, share with your Telegram, Facebook, Telegram, LinkedIn, and WhatsApp with your friends and family. When you invite friends, you will when your friends and then your friends complete the register, and you will get the rewards on your team basis. In the new option, you will get your total asset, tail, quantity trading, smart investment, profit asset, recharge amount, charge, withdrawal details will show here, quantitative profit assets, smart account will show here, total revenue generated, 2 days earning, 2 days commission for the today, yesterday earning, level 1, your subordinate invitation show here, security center here is showing for your login password. You can change your login password by putting the old pass, then set a new password and confirm the password, and your password will be modified here. And similarly, you can change your you can also transfer your money into the profit asset to the quantitative account, put the amount for the transfer, click on the security password and confirm your amount will be transferred here. And quantization tutorial, news, language, common problem, term of service, privacy policy, about us, and download option here is given. For withdrawing your money, you have to just click on the withdrawal option, put the amount which is available for the withdrawal, and put your withdrawal address, go back to the wallet and click on the receive option, copy this address, and after copying this address you have to just bind the address, then put your contact information, and after that you have to after putting your contact information, you have to put your address, your password that you have set in the registration procedure, and confirm the transaction. And here you can see application for the withdrawal is successful, and I will get my withdrawal into my wallet. When I get my withdrawal, I will show my balance, and I am going to show my balance, and here you can see now my balance is increased here, and I have received 1.5 USD just immediately withdrawing my money. I hope this video gives you a lot of information. It's time to go. Goodbye.